everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. In today's video, we will talk about the Walken's pre-sale on Huobi Primelist. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents for free every day. If you are ready, let's start. The Walken's pre-sale will be on June 21 and the sale period starts at June 19 at 4 p.m. on UTC and it will end on June 21 at 10 a.m. And the trading of Walken will be open at 12 o'clock on UTC on June 21. As you can understand, 2 hours after the sale period ends. Only 7 million tokens will be sold on Huobi Primelist and the price of those tokens will be 0.0165 USDT. And the payments will be made via USDT tokens as you can see from here. And now let's talk about the eligibility. You have to complete your KYC, which is Know Your Customer process, before 4 p.m. on June 29. If you have not done your QIC, make sure you do it quickly on Huobi Global, because if you do not do it, you will not be able to participate on this prime list. Why this prime list is good? Let's check out it right now. As you can see all the prime lists from here. And Cube, the latest prime list before the Walken application, Cube made 50x, guys. This means your $100 became $5,000. This is huge. So do not forget to join the Walken prime list. And also you can check out Walken application through this link. When you click on this link, this page will be opened and you can check this one pager of Walken. And after you check this, you can click those buttons in order to reach their website, their white paper and their social media accounts. If you like the project, then let's come to the pre-sale, right? If you want to participate in this, now let's talk about how can you do it. There are some requirements. First of all, let's talk about the participation process. From 4 p.m. UTC on June 19, to 10 a.m. UTC on June 29, eligible users can register for this event. What was the eligibility? As you can see, you have to complete your QIC and then there is a daily spot trading volume requirement. You have to reach minimum daily spot trading volume of 500 USDT on any digital asset for 3 days before the end of the subscription period. This means on June 19, on June 20 and on June 21, you have to make at least a daily spot trading volume of 500 USDT. This is crucial, guys. Do not forget to do it. And the days will be calculated based on the local time of your registered country. For example, if you are from US, if you are from Germany, if you are from France, your local time will be considered in the calculation of those daily spot trading volume. And how does this be calculated? Your total spot trading volume will be divided by 3. This means you don't have to trade in each day. You can trade 1,500 USDT on just one day and then stop trading. This will be okay for you too. And here's really important, guys. Do not try to trade on stable coin pairs such as you can see from here, USDT, HUSD, PEX and HUSD, USDC and HUSD, USDC and USDT like this. Do not trade on the stable coin pairs. What do I suggest you? Just come here at spot trading and click on this one. After you deposit your USDTs in Huobi Global, just trade on BTC USDT pair. And how will you do it? Let's say you have sent $200 to your Huobi account and click on the market. Right here 200 USDT. And if you have logged into Huobi Global, you will see the buy button here. Just click on it and buy 200 USDT of Bitcoin. And then come here, just click here and make 100% and then click on the sell button. Now you will sell all your bitcoins. Now you have bought $200 of bitcoins and you have sold $200 of bitcoins. What did it make? 400, right? Your total trading volume has become 400. And do this over and over again until you make your total trading volume more than 1,500 USDT. This is crucial. Do not forget to do it. If you forget to do it, you will not be able to participate on this prime list. And there's total asset balance requirements. You have to have at least 100 USDT in your Huobi Global account between June 17 and June 19. This 100 USDT may be in your spot account, your derivatives account, margin, fiat, Huobi Earn, quant, pools and options account. It doesn't matter. If you don't have at least 100 USDT in those accounts, in your Huobi account, you will not be able to participate. This is crucial too, so do not forget to do it too. And the last thing, USDT balance requirements. During the subscription process, please ensure that the USDT balance in your account is greater than the amount required for purchase. And what is that? Let's look at this one. From 10 a.m. UTC to half past 11 a.m. on June 29, the system will randomly pick the lucky winners from all eligible participants. The winners are qualified to purchase a minimum of one share, which is 50 USDT worth of Walken. If you have won the Primelist with only one share, you have to have more than 50 USDT in your account. If you have 49, if you have 48, I'm sorry guys, you will not be able to participate. So make sure you have more than 100 USDT in your Huobi account between those times, okay? And participants who do not win any shares will have their USDT tokens automatically unlocked, released into their exchange account. As you can understand from here, between those times, your USDT in your account will be frozen. You will not be able to use it. And now let's come to the final part, how we can join this Primelist. Do not forget to do these things. And before them, just come here, click to participate as you can see, and click on this link. When you click on this link, this page will be opened. And as you can see, when the subscription starts, you will click on it. And when it starts, the coming soon will be changed to join, and you will click on the join and you will be registered to the Walken Primelist. And after all of it, do not forget to read the terms and conditions. If you are okay with those terms and conditions, you can easily join this Primelist. This is the end of our video guys. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next one.